Hi there and welcome to Gnowbe. We're so excited that you can join us. It looks like this is your first time on the platform, so we want to make sure that you feel set up for success. As you begin to navigate your way around the Gnowbe platform, you'll notice a few new emails with stars on them start to pop up in your inbox from us over the course of the next few weeks, each with the following headings. Each of these emails are specifically designed to give you the answers you need at the moment you need them during your onboarding journey with us. Need to learn how to maximize Gnowbe's features, share your programs, deliver them effectively, distribute them and learn how others did it? We've got you covered. Whether you're on a free, starter, pro or enterprise plan, you'll find the answers you need here. Welcome to Gnowbe. So who are we? Well, I'm glad you asked. Gnowbe is a all-in-one content creator tool designed to empower you, the creator, to design powerful learning experiences in minutes. Our unique features help you to build out your content strategically in bite-sized pieces, as demonstrated by our Microlearning instructional design program, also fondly recognized internally as MID 101. Our unique features actually help you to build your content out strategically in bite-sized pieces to increase user engagement, retention, and transformation. You can use Gnowbe for a variety of things, anything from onboarding programs, e-courses, workshops, meetings, lessons, even book clubs. The possibilities are endless, as you can see in our YouTube channel. You can find it. I'm just going to give you a quick intro also to the Gnowbe ecosystem, because that's really helpful for navigating your way around. So let me just pull up the screen for you here. Now you'll notice we actually have three different platforms within our Gnowbe ecosystem. There's Gnowbe Web, there's Gnowbe App, which is on your phone primarily, and Gnowbe Dashboard. Now Gnowbe Web and Gnowbe App are the platforms for learning and content creation. Gnowbe Dashboard is your user administrative and analytics platform, an excellent place to track user data and actually assess how engaging your content is, how successful it is in terms of impact. There's another thing that you should be very aware of when you're onboarding with us, and that is the three different types of roles that Gnowbe has within the platform. And you'll see them pop up quite a lot on the dashboard. There is the curator role, there is the admin role, and an agent role. And you can kind of see the differences between there. It's really actually important. So when we talk about users who create programs on Gnowbe Web and App, we call them as curators. The users who handle administrative matters on the Gnowbe dashboard are referred to as admins or agents. You'll learn more about the difference between these three roles in later tutorials, but do note that these roles are not mutually exclusive, and a single user can actually hold all three of these roles simultaneously. Well, that is it for the first tutorial. Be on the lookout for that series of emails that I talked about. They will be coming to your way with relevant resources to learn more about Gnowbe and actually how to craft content at the moment that you need it. Happy curating. We can't wait to see what you come up with.